just bring this up here. So here are the broad sectors here. Okay. So first of all, here are our major indexes. Okay. And so we can see right here in terms of the indexes, what we're going to do is we're going to compare everything to the SPY. So if we look down over here, you'll see it says RELSTREN, that's relative strength. And then we've got a couple of different relative strengths here. One basically I'm comparing everything to the SPY. And then once we get into a particular subsector, then I'm going to compare everything to the things in the sector. Okay. So we're going to start out by looking at the broad market here. Okay, so the broad market, if we look at the SPY is the thing we're comparing it to. So obviously that's a zero. Okay, but if we look at the Qs, which is the Nasdaq, you can see it says minus 1.3. That means that the Nasdaq is 1.3% worse in its weaker in its performance versus the SPY. Okay, basically the Russell 2000 is incrementally a little better than the SPY, 0.2%. And you can see that the Dow is virtually equivalent to the SPY. Okay, so that's what the broad sectors look like. So unsurprisingly, they're not, huge differences here. Okay, but now if we go into the sectors, okay, and we start comparing, okay, this is where you kind of see where like the major differences occur. And we just sort this from high to low. We'll wait for that to clear here. So we're going low to high here. So these are our major sectors.